For the second year running, we mark World Environment Day in the midst of the COVID-19 pandemic. But as we seek to move from crisis to recovery, we must take deliberate steps to improve human health and the health of the natural world. Because we know that many of the challenges we face stem from the degradation of our land, our soils, our water bodies, our forests, and our oceans. On World Environment Day, along with FAO and partners, we're proud to launch the United Nations Decade on Ecosystem Restoration. Our aim? To prevent, to halt, and to reverse the degradation of ecosystems worldwide. We seek to spur political support, generate science, and mobilize financial resources for the largest ever mass-scale restoration of our ecosystems. In reviving millions of hectares of terrestrial and aquatic ecosystems, we will profoundly improve human well-being and accelerate progress towards the Sustainable Development Goals. I am so pleased that Pakistan, as a global host of the World Environment Day this year, will lead the global charge to restore ecosystems on which we all depend. So this World Environment Day, let us all join in, because people and nature can heal together.